Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on the Tuesday, May the 24th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. There are 3 puzzles left: Tectonic with 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary number 4598. 98. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 2 double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Interesting. We have 1 row to compare. And this one I cannot. The one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, overlooked. Double 1. Here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come on. We have here 2 rows now. To compare. 3. Yeah. Come on. Where's the overlook this double 1. Here no, there no. Double 1. Oh, no. Come on. Double 1 here. This row and that row. 1. Empty box. 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then we need to compare again. No, 100 here. 101. Yeah, this row and the last row. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Yeah, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, Tectonic and the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.